This 2008 Ford Econoline cargo van is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. Commercial grade, 1 owner, clean Carfax, Super Duty, 1 ton, high ceiling, no rust clean, storage shelving, Tommy power lift, storage shelving, good tires, 135 wheelbase long 1, clean in and out, runs and drives good. We beat everyone in AMP number 39, S price. 2,500 under KBP retail. Nothing to hide, no Photoshop pictures, CARFAXABAILABLE on every vehicle, must see IT. Call now, or text 330-475-4817 for more pics and deals like this one. Please visit www.onlineautowarehous.com or www.importsautogroup.com for the best deals on diesel Sprinter van, Dodge Sprinter, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, Freightliner Sprinter, Ford Van Diesel, Turbo Diesel. When we say best deals, we mean IT. Bank financing available. Use application online or stop by at our dealership. All trade-ins are welcome. We also welcome all out-state customers and airport pickups. CLE, ORCAK.